Hi folks, it's me again. Hello, hope you're all well and safe and enjoying your maths, which I know you will be, of course. All right, we're going to be looking at some expansion. We're going to take a break from factorisation for a while and just pop back to expansion. So times out brackets, getting rid of brackets, whatever you want to call it. So the issue this time is we've got double brackets. And so you can see out that top left, we've got x add 3, and it's going to be multiplied by x add 2. Now you'll all tell me, I know, you say to me, Mr. Weston, you need to simplify the stuff in the brackets, and always do the bit in the brackets first. But the problem is now x add 3, you can't do anything with that. X add 3 is just what it is, and so is x add 2. So the concept here is you can't simplify the stuff in the brackets. So how are we supposed to, change the form of this thing, so to speak? Well, the idea is that's what expansion is. All we're going to do is multiply everything in the first bracket by everything in the second bracket. I'm going to use my little arrows like we've done before, with slightly simpler ones. I'll just write it out like this. You'll see different methods done by different teachers here, but I'm a big fan of this idea here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw an arrow from the first number in the first bracket to the first number in the second bracket. I'm going to draw an arrow from the first number in the first bracket to the second number in the second bracket. And then the second number in the first bracket to the first number in the second bracket. I'm sure I'm going to say this. And then finally, second number to the second number. So that, and I've done that probably tens of thousands of times, but the idea is those arrows show me what I'm going to multiply by. So in this case here, the x here, I'm going to multiply by this x. I'll always go from sort of left to left, left to right, right to left and right to right. Sort of start at the left-hand side as much as I can. So try and be consistent in your order. X times x, well, we've done that a million times. X times x is x squared. Now that's that bit done. Now we'll multiply this one. X times 2. Okay, or x times plus 2. Just plus 2x. No big deal. Now we'll move to this one. 3 times x or plus 3 times x. Well, that's just 3x. Plus 3x. And last but not least, 3 times 2, 6, or plus 3 times plus 2 is plus 6. So what you've done, because we've 4 arrows, we've got 4 multiplications, we've now got 4 parts to our expression. However, it's not 4 terms, because the 2 in the middle, you'll notice, because I've been systematic in terms of ordering, it actually simplifies a little bit. These 2 bits here in the middle come together, 2x and 3x, and so what we can do is write this in simpler form. 2x and 3x is 5x, and we're left with that. X squared add 5x add 6. And that is equivalent to what we started with. So that's called the expanded form, that's called the factorised form, because it's in a product form. And that's it. If you get good at this, okay, honestly, you can earn some pretty straightforward marks. 3x add 7 times 2x add 5. Okay, what are we going to do here? Just the same. Times everything in the left-hand bracket by everything in the right-hand bracket. So I'll do my arrows like I've done a million times before. It's now 10,001. So there to there, there to there. I still do this even when I'm teaching A level sometimes. Okay. This time we've got 3x times 2x. Again, we just go back about, a couple of weeks. You can see this is what we're doing. 3 times 2 is 6. X times x is x squared. So 6x squared. Okay, so for 3x times 2x. Now we've got the 3x times the 5. So 3 5s are 15. So 3x times 5 is 15x. Now we've got the 7 times the 2x. 7 times 2 is 14. So we've got 14x. And last but not least, 7 times 5 is 35. And there we go. So just the same as previously, because I've been systematic, I can simplify it. 15x and 14x in the middle comes together. So 6x squared, add 29x, add 35, which was left-handed. Okay, and that's that. So the next one looks the same, but it's A's and B's. Oh, whoopie-doo. This time we've got double letters, not just X's. So I've got A's and B's. Same principle though. We're going to times everything in the first bracket by everything in the second bracket. Sorry about the shadow I'm casting at the moment. I've just ordered some bulbs online to replace the one that's just blown. Okay, you should have a far brighter sheet in a couple of days' time. So this time we're going to do 3a times 9a, which is 3 9s, 27. A times a squared. So 27a squared. We'll start again systematically. 3a times 4b, so 3 4s are 12. A times b, that's ab, so 12ab. That's the second one. Again, just like the past, there's 4 arrows, 4 pieces I'm going to have now. The third one, 5b times 9a, so 5 9s are 45. And here's the key, b times a. Don't say ba, ab. Always go with the alphabet. So 5 9s are 45, so we've got 45ab. That will make my last simplifying much easier. And 5b times 4b, 5 4s are 20, b times b is b squared, so plus 20b squared. Sorry, I'm spelling over there. And again, all I'll do is simplify it now. So the two bits in the middle here, my presentation's falling into pieces, sorry, will come together. So 27a squared, 12ab add 45ab, altogether is 57, isn't it? I think it is, 57ab. And then we've still got the 20b squared. So we've got three different terms, a squareds, ab's and b squareds. Done. And this last one actually got the most letters, A, B, C and D. It looks like it's going to be the most difficult actually. You're going to have a little bit of a pleasant surprise here. So 4a add 5b, 3c add 5d. I'll put my camera up there. So now what we're going to do, multiply everything here. Okay, and this isn't bad because if you think about it now, 4a times 3c, so 4 3s are 12, a times c, well, ac, so 12ac. Next one is going to be 4a times 5d, well, 4 5 is 20, a times d is ad, we'll stick with the alphabet again, so 20ad. 5b times 3c, 5 3s are 15, so b times c is bc, so 15bc. And then last but not least, or maybe it is least, 5b times 5d, 5 5 is a 25, b times d is bd. So I've got plus 25bd. And now you're going to be like, oh, just simplify. Well, actually you can't, because we've got ACs, ADs, BCs and BDs. They're all different terms. So there isn't an extra simplification for this one. So that's basically what expanding is. You'll notice they're all positives, they're all adds at the moment. We'll mix in some takeaways in future lessons. Your turn questions are very similar. Have a go, see how you get on. Any problems, let me know. Okay, look after yourselves and I'll speak soon. Take care.